Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss how to update the CSV file. So in our last video you have see that how we can upload this CSV file. If I wanted to update any of the record, how you will do it. So I will show. For that you have to require a lookup editor app, which is basically built by Splunk, and will use that app to add it inside the on the fly, you can say, or online, you can say. L- with that help we can add it the CSV file. So there are number of ways, so this is the one of the easy way. So what you will have to do, you have to go to the Google and type Splunk lookup editor. So the first link itself, you can see the Splunk app for lookup file edit. So I'll just click on it. You have to log in. If you click on the download, it will take you the account and you have to sign in with your account. I will put my account. You can just click on account. It will ask for agreement. Click on this. Yeah, so it has been downloaded app, Splunk app for lookup editor. I just click on OK. You can see in download it is available. So how you can upload this, how you can upload this app. So you go to the apps, like in last video I also showed. So click on the manage app, click on the install from file. Since we already downloaded, choose your file, go to download, choose your package, click open, and upgrade app. See, if that app is already exist and you want to upgrade, then you have to check this option. Otherwise you can directly click on download, upload. You see, lookup app for lookup file editing was successfully installed, and now you can see for that you can search here itself. It is already there. Splunk app for lookup file editing. So its permission is global, so everyone can access. It is enabled right now. You can directly click on launch app. From here it will launch, or either you will see under the apps here. So Splunk app for lookup editing. I'll just click on it, or you can click on the launch app also. It's the same. So it will be landed to the your like in the app. So you will see all the, just inside this app, global, or all the CSV files. So all CSV file will be visible here. Let's try to search ours one. So you can see, so you will see the exact CSV file, not extension here. So just to be carefully, don't try to search the extension name. You have to search the CSV file. So you can see that CSV file existing under type of CSV lookup, unified library, admin, owner. So you can see a couple of option. Export, if you wanted to download it, you can click on export. It will be downloaded into your PC. And here see edit permission, you can edit the permission of your CSV. If you click on the open in search, it will open. I'll just click open in search, so it will show you data through the input lookup command. You can see the input lookup command. So now go back, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it. So I will to edit this CSV file data, you have to just click on it. It will show all of your data here. If there are number of pages, you'll have to go by page. So you can see all the record are visible. Let's suppose I wanted to add a new record. I will just, so you can see the blank line. I'll just put it here, my name. I just put it here, test, and product name I will just put test. The price I will put 50. You can put anything. Just to show you, I'll just put again for, I'll just put it 56 sale price and code I will put the T. And this is how you can, how would you save it? If you scroll down, there's a option save lookup. If you don't want to save by mistakenly you added this file, you can go back and cancel your window. Otherwise you can click on save lookup. So select the toggle switch to save lookup for this file before saving your change. Saving a lookup is optional. So I'll just click on save lookup. How would you know that it has been saved or not? So since it's loading and it will take few seconds, so your file is saved, your changes are saved. Now you can go to the next window, try to search. Now you should be able to see your record. You can see, I can see my record test price I added 50, code I added T, and test and 56. So this is how you can edit the existing CSV file. You can, you how you will delete it. Like if you want to change this record, you can just double click on it and edit it. Like I'll double click, I can remove this. And in any of the column, how would you add the new column? You can right click on that, it will give you option insert a row before or after. So this is how you can, or you can delete the rows, you can copy, you can save as. And if you want to add the column, you just select one of the column, insert it to column before and after. You can have the number of option and delete the column, rename this column, insert a new row, order ascending, order descending, copy paste. So all option you will get it. So it's very easy. If you have to upload one or two record, if you have to upload a bulk record, I would suggest re-upload this file again, and it will be overwritten. Delete the existing file and then it will be, you can upload the new file. So first you have to export it, change it, then delete the lookup file from uh, this Splunk, and then you can re-upload it. So how you can delete the file? So I showed the option, right? You can go back into the lookup and here you can see the delete option here itself. But there are other ways as well. You can go to the setting, again you can go to lookup, and from here also you can delete this file. So you can delete this, you'll get an option here as well. So this is how you can edit, delete, or export your existing CSV file. So uh, this is, this was the topic almost we cover. And thank you guys for your support. Subscribe our channel, comment, like, share. Thanks a lot.